Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 10 ways on how to get sales in affiliate marketing. And if you've been starting affiliate marketing, this is a great video for you because you do need some things in your online business for it to work properly and to make good amount of money with affiliate marketing. So if you are beginning this journey, I really hope you pay attention because there are things that you do need in your business to make it thrive. And so let's get started right now. So guys, the 10 ways that I'm going to start with, a lot of them is going to be about your business inside your business, okay? And then the last about 4 methods, I'm going to talk about the outside of your business. So let's look at the inside of your business because the inside of your business is very, very crucial, okay? If you're just starting out affiliate marketing and you think that you could just grab an affiliate link and then go and try to get people to click on it to buy, no, that's gonna be not in this video at all, okay guys? So what's inside your business? What do you need inside your business for affiliate marketing? Well, inside your little ecosystem, we're gonna call it ecosystem, okay? Because this is gonna be your little world online. So what is your world online? Well, your world online is not just a link, okay? You are a person. And so you need to kind of make people feel that they are connecting to a person. So if you are just trying to promote a link, that's not going to happen with affiliate marketing. Because what are you doing with affiliate marketing? You are promoting other people's products. You're just recommending things, right? So in concept, it's very simple in that sense, right? It's very simple because you are just recommending. But exactly, you're recommending so that people need to see you, right? People need to see why you're recommending that product. This is a big reason why content is needed in your online business. So within your online business, number 1 way is to build a blog, okay? This is the first thing that you need. A lot of people who are making money with affiliate marketing has a blog website. And if you apply to affiliate programs, that's what the first thing they ask for. What is your website? What is your website? Okay, so that's the first way you're going to get sales from affiliate marketing because you want that blog to rank on search engines, okay? When people want to go buy something, that's the first thing they go to. They go and search that product out on the search engine. So if your blog comes up on that search result, that's how you can get sales, okay, guys? So that's definitely number 1 way to get sales. The second way that you should have in your online business is a YouTube channel like this so that you could really use video to drive home the benefits and all the pluses, the features of the product that you want to promote. There is nothing like video to impact your audience, guys, okay? And YouTube channel is literally free to start because you just basically use your phone because everybody already has a phone, and that's what I'm using right now to record this video right now. So it's like that's all you really need, okay? So there's really no excuse for you guys not to start a YouTube channel, okay? That's number 2 way to get sales in affiliate marketing. Number 3 way, okay? Number 3 way, and the third thing you should have in your online business is email marketing. How are you going to follow up with your audience if you don't have email marketing? You don't want to just have a bunch of people come look at your content that you created day in and day out, so much work poured into it, but you can't remarket to those people. You can't really tell them really about what you're trying to promote except when you capture their email address, okay? So having email marketing, your third way is to get sales, okay? I often get sales from my email list just by sending some emails out, guys, okay? That is a very, very simple thing to do. Very easy thing to add to your online business. If you have those 3 things in your online business and you're still not getting that many sales, then the 4th thing you might want to look at is your conversion rate, okay? You want to see if you can optimize your conversion rate to get higher, right? So you're not going to be needing more traffic, but you're just going to see what your current traffic has and you're going to increase it. So how are you going to increase it? By looking at your conversion rate. Well, there's certain things on your content, so in your online business, so if you have a blog, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have email marketing, those 3 things that I already mentioned. So the 4th thing will optimize the conversion rate of those 3 items, okay? So if people go onto these items and they are reading your content, how can we convert them better? Well, it could be your design of your site, right? Your design of your video. Are you hitting the points? Are you not making points? Is it simple or is it all over the place? Is it too confusing for people to follow? So you gotta think about how to grab people's attention fast, but to the point and simple, okay? So you may want to also look at some other sites in your niche. So let's say you're ranking for a certain key term. Look on the search results or the first page. Look on those sites. Would you pick you? Would you pick your site if you were alongside those sites on the first page? Think about that and think of how you can make it better than those results on the first page, okay? That's how you could increase not only your click-through rate, but also your conversion rate, because you're hitting home the marks that they are looking for. When people get answers to what they're searching for, you get conversions. Which leads me to the next point, okay? So the 5th way that you can look inside your business to get more sales in affiliate marketing is gonna be your copywriting. Copywriting is, let's say, your headline, right? Are your titles for your posts, are they click-worthy? And does it give them what they were looking for? Does the title tell them what they're looking for right away, okay? So copywriting is another skill that you may want to develop as you are going through your online journey, because you will need it. Because at some point in your journey, you will see that you will need that kind of skill to write better, not even with your emails as well. You know, you want to have people open your email, so you need to see how to write better emails, better titles, better subject lines, so that they open the email, right? Same with your video. If you don't have a nice title of your video, who's going to click to look at it? Okay, so they're all very, very important things. So copywriting is a skill that you definitely want to get good at so you could get more sales, because that converts your visitors into customers, okay? Now, the 6th way to get more sales is definitely checking out the affiliate program, okay? When you are picking your affiliate program, be careful, because not all of them will let you make money more than one way, meaning that you want to look for programs that have recurring commissions. So it's kind of be like membership, subscription type sites that will allow you to earn commissions every single month. Your referral stays on the platform. So that is very important, because then next month, you're not just starting at 0 again. You're going to be starting with however many referrals you already put into that platform. And so if they stay on for another month, you are going to be starting with some money in your business, right? So recurring commissions is very important, and lifetime commissions is very important. So it may not be a recurring membership or service that you are promoting. It could be a product. However, you want to find a company that allows you to have a sticky cookie, okay? Meaning that once you bring in a referral, whatever they buy afterwards, it doesn't matter, because they're going to still be your referral, and whatever they buy at whatever point, you're going to make commissions. So that's another way to get sales this way. So pick your affiliate programs very carefully and try to get them with either lifetime or recurring commissions. So now the next 4 ways is going to be outside of your business, okay? So now that you've kind of looked into your business, now we need to go reach out. But really, if you are doing blog and YouTube channel correctly, you don't need to go out of your ecosystem, okay? That's the power of being ranked on SEO with SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, so that's what blog and YouTube channel is. Those are the 2 most powerful online assets that you guys can build in your online business. You know why? Because SEO allows you to just concentrate on your business and you just improve inside your business all the time. So you're creating awesome content, you're optimizing your pages and everything else because people come to you with SEO. Now these next 4 ways, you're going to be going out to get people because you don't have SEO on your side yet. So it does take time to get SEO, okay? It does take time, but it is well worth it to build a blog or a YouTube channel, okay? Now, next 4 ways is going to be outside your business. So number is definitely going on forums, okay? There are lots of people that go on forums like Quora.com to ask questions about anything, basically. If they want to get opinions about something or some topic or know how to do something, they always go on a forum. And there are certain forums that are specific for certain topics, but a forum like Quora.com is not specific and you could ask any kind of question. So that site is actually very big. That forum is very big. Like Reddit is another one that's very big. So you can actually be very helpful on these types of forums, and people then will kind of contact you to see what you do, kind of thing. And that's how you can maybe provide a link here and there. But on the forums, please be careful. Do not spam your links there because you will get kicked out, okay? And nobody's going to talk to you if you want to just shove links into people's face. So you need to provide value. It's always about providing value. If you could kind of sense the underlying theme about how to make money online, guys, okay? So the next platforms that I'm going to talk about are social media, okay? I cannot not talk about social media because it is a huge part of online, and some people hate it and some people love it. But guess what? You really can't avoid it if you want to make money online, because you do want to be kind of everywhere, okay? Online, in the online space. If you're going to make money online, you might as well build something that is going to go all over the place, because the more they see of you, the better it is, guys. It's also a trust factor if you have all these different accounts, okay, and start building. So the latest social media platform that you should really get onto is called TikTok. It used to be called Musical.ly, and it is kind of a music platform, but guess what? It's a video platform, okay, video. So it actually drives traffic to YouTube channel and Instagram only. And those are the only 2 options that you can link to on that platform. But what it's great is that right now is very new still, and so not a lot of the posts are being buried in that sense, and your posts can get seen by a lot more people than if you were to go on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter for that matter. So those are all old platforms, and the TikTok one is really new still, and it is the best time now to jump on there and get some major followers on your account, because it is very easy to get the views on there, okay? And you're only making 15-second videos, guys. It is not hard at all. TikTok is more casual, it's more fun, it's more quick, and it's just easier, and it's like, and you could drive a lot of traffic. Like one of my videos went to like 9,000 views very quickly, and on that day that I did that, I got like 60 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Like, it's a no-brainer to use that platform, okay? So pick whatever you want for social media, but whatever you do, be consistent on it, stay with it long term, okay? Do not just jump on 2 or 3 and then try it and then nothing. All these things need time, okay? So you do want to have at least 1 social media account in your online business so you could get more sales, guys, okay? So the 9th way to get more sales is using paid SEO, okay? What is paid SEO? Meaning it is Google and YouTube ads. So because Google owns YouTube, then you could also advertise not only on Google search engine, but also on the google.com platform. Basically, when you are building your blog and your YouTube channel, and you know, in the beginning it is going to take time, so you're not going to get much traffic. So it's during this time, maybe if you have the money, to go on Google ads and do some ads. Now, it's not going to be, I don't recommend this in the beginning of anybody's online journey, because it does take a lot of money to start with paid traffic. And the thing with paid traffic is that once you stop paying, that's it. You have nothing coming into your online business. And that is why building free traffic with blog, YouTube channel, social media, forums, that is why it is important to have those assets in your online business, okay? So if you use paid traffic, it's great for immediate traffic, immediate testing to see if you were testing a new campaign to see if that even works or not. So that is another option, or another why you would use paid traffic. And the third why you would use paid traffic is just to scale, okay? So if you have everything coming in, so you have free traffic coming in and you just want to make even more money, then you just use paid traffic from the money that you've earned from free traffic. So that is how I would recommend the best way to use paid traffic is when you start generating money from free traffic, then use that money from free traffic and invest it in paid traffic to scale up even more. Okay, the 10th way that you can get more sales in affiliate marketing is using paid emails. Okay, so I was just talking about paid search. Now, paid emails is going to be a little bit different. These are more known as solo ads. And what solo ads is that you're renting somebody else's email list. So when you're starting out, you probably have no or very small email lists. And so you may want to get some traffic from other people's big email lists. But the only thing about these email lists is that it's very risky, but they are the cheapest. So they could be cheap. They could be cheap, but they're the highest risk because you have no idea what has happened to those email lists and those owners of the email lists. You don't know unless you know them in person, but most of the time you don't. So you are going by a review. So the best way to do solo ads actually is by using platforms that have reviews on it, but don't do like Facebook groups or anything like that. But I mean, like, it has a company behind it. So like udemy.com, you can use that company because that has users actually testifying if those lists, if those email owners are doing a good job or have a good email list. And you also want to know which niches they have the email list for, because actually a lot of solo ads is not for a lot of different niches too. So a lot of solo ads is just for certain types of niches, mostly the make money online niche and mostly health niche. Other than those two really, or maybe even relationships, but other than those three niches, it's hard to find solo ads for other niches besides those, okay? So those are the 10 ways of how to get more sales in affiliate marketing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more things about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every single week. And I hope I see you on the next one, guys. All right, bye for now.